One eye symbolism. If you know, you know. What's up, man? Well, mans, we're all inclusive here. Welcome. I'm back, bitches. 3 people, what's good? Hey. What up, Dub? What are you buying now in Cosmos Eco? Everything cheap AF. Stuff, man. You know stuff. You gotta join my Patreon. Just kidding. I won't do that. And to find out the rest, you gotta join my Patreon. Just kidding. I don't have a Patreon. Why? I don't know. I'm lazy, man. Shit. What else can I say? What's up, guys? As far as like what I'm buying and what I would buy in the Cosmos ecosystem, I mean, I'm always buying Comdex. Dubdigital Comdex looks like a bag of milk. Yeah. But not for long. Look, guys, it's always hard to buy bottoms, right? Everything's down. It looks bad. Feels bad. Are you gonna be a person that goes off your feels all the time? No. Can't be doing that in investing, guys. Can't be doing that. Got to look at the projects for what they are. This is the fundamentals matter more. So Comdex, Akash looks hot. I can't see a world where like eventually we don't go to decentralized web hosting. Pretty much. Sentinel's cool. DVPN. They're starting to outlaw VPNs, right? Decentrally, you started seeing that trend come through too. What else? Is Juno okay? I haven't followed up on Juno, but like it was the hottest shit. You know, it was the hottest shit until like the whole thing with the thing, right? The airdrop thing. What's up with that? You know what's up? Let me know. Give me that alpha. So many freaking chains, you can't watch it all at the same time. You're like, my neck. No, just me. I should stop drinking pre-workout when I look at charts. Yeah. That's probably true. What up, Deshaun? What's up, man? How you been? How you feeling? Feeling good? Good. I'm glad. I got 3 people. That's all I need, man. That's all I need. Crypto for life. Ew. Damn. That was so strange. My camera started getting out of focus. That's wild. How you guys doing? You guys looking like what you guys want to do? I haven't done this in a while. I forgot. I'm gonna share my screen real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna share this one. That's what I want. Hey, we're on the coin market cap. Bitcoin's at the 38,000. Damn. Whatever, same shit. I don't know, man. Like Bitcoin at 42,000, everyone's freaking loving it. Bitcoin at 38,000, people hate it. It's like that's only a swing of $4,000. What the hell? This is Bitcoin. It's larger than life, son. Did you know that? $4,000. If you're gonna get bent out of shape over $4,000 in crypto, you might be in the wrong industry. I am very sorry about it. Let's see. 24-hour. What's up? What the hell is this, Leo? It's showing like the hell's a Leo, man? I don't even know what that is. It's only 3% up though. Like, damn, everything's sucking right now then. But it's not even that down though. See, that's the thing. Like, I'm looking at this drop and it's like, yeah, it's a drop, but it could be worse. Like, guys, I don't know. There's only two coins the last 24 hours that dropped double digits. Y'all, if you ain't been through a bear market before, double digits is like way down the list. It's crazy. Over 11 days, XDC. Hey, they just hooked up with WAN chain, so now they got integration back and forth through WAN to Binance Smart Chain to Polygon. Pretty hot. It's interesting to see them up here, especially in like these market conditions. Then Tron. Interesting. What else is happening? USDC's up. Hey, just kidding. Litecoin, son of a. I got a love-hate thing with Litecoin, you know. It is what it is. I've been holding Litecoin longer than I've been holding. I don't know. You ever say shit and then like you think you'll think of something by the end of it and it doesn't happen? Cheers. 3 people. You guys are quiet. I could ramble, but like not that much. Let's see. Let's go ahead and look at the fear and greed index. See how scared people are. They be shaking. Oh no, North Korea is gonna nuke us. Russia's gonna nuke us. We're gonna nuke ourselves. We'll see. We'll see about it. You'll hear of wars and rumors of wars. That was the GOD, man. Let's see. Fear and greed index. 27 down. It's not even that scared. I remember when it was like 9. Guys, people aren't that scared. Yeah, it's like it's a little scary, but it's not that scary. The whole market doesn't feel even that scared. You guys, it wasn't too long ago, a couple months ago, this shit was at 9 or 10. That's like, it's like a lot more scared. Now it's not that scared. So like, don't let the freaking media, don't let all these people tell you how you should feel. How do you feel like you feel? Like seriously, especially if you've been through a cycle, especially if you've been through a crash, like how do you feel how you should feel? Like, are you listening to all this fear porn shit? Are you listen? Oh, it's the end of crypto. Your money's gonna blow up and go negative. You're gonna owe money. You listen to enough of that, guess what? You're gonna start believing it. You're gonna start getting scared and shit. You're gonna start doing stuff that wolves don't do. Hey, you're only as good as the information you allow into your head. Fear is a contagion, just like everything else. 3 people, what's good? Peace, fam. Jake C, what's up, man? Long time. No talk. Is what it is. How's the fam? Good. Yeah, guys, I call it crypto kickback. If we kick back, we talk about crypto. What else do you want? I got some other stuff too. Why am I gonna look at this chart? Not quite sure. Just like felt like I should. Fear. This is stock to flow, plan B. Obviously, a lot of people have been saying it's been invalidated. Maybe. However, I don't know. Like if the 4-year cycle gets invalidated, right? What the hell did I do? If the 4-year cycle gets invalidated, then wouldn't everything else after that point be invalidated as well? Like, aren't we in uncharted territory at that point? So, like, I think it's kind of inconsistent how people are saying, oh, the 4-year cycle it didn't carry through on this cycle. That means, like, you know, they say that, right? To make an excuse for the cycle to lengthen. And it did. But after the cycle lengthens, they just assume that the cycle will continue to act like it's always has been, which is not. If one occurs, the other can't be true. You know what I'm saying? Like, if it didn't happen the same way last time, moving forward into the future, it can't happen the same way. It's not congruent thinking. You guys feel what I'm saying? So, like, I'm interested to see, like, how translated is this blow off going to be? Because we have seen the blow off translate from cycle to cycle to the right somewhat. This happened to occur before 4 years, right? This one was a little bit after January. This one significantly after. Is there a correlation between how, I guess, translated it is and how much it overperforms? I don't know. We don't have enough information, but I'll tell you what, it doesn't make much sense to think that if the 4-year cycle failed, then it's just going to go sideways for 2-3 years. Then you're just really thinking that it's going to stay the same on the back end, which it can't at that point. I don't know. Things I think of to myself like late at night, you know? Do I have an answer for you? No, man. It's just interesting. It's an interesting idea. 5 people, what's good? Why did changes of staking rewards on Crow make Crow dump that hard? One, I'm not aware of that. They made changes to the staking. Did they pull a Celsius where they make you be an accredited investor? You know you have to be an accredited investor now on Celsius to be able to get like yield. It's because like the whole thing with SEC and lending, everyone's scared. They want to be like, make sure that the people that they do offer these things to, if they come down to securities, they're like, hey, they're financially literate. We're not being negligent. I think they're all trying to like protect themselves. But I'm not sure, man. If they did something like that, I mean, basically it means that way less people could stake Crow. And if way less people can stake Crow and get yield from it, then that means they have no incentive to hold it. If they don't have incentive to hold it, they're going to dump it. Thus, they might be dumping it, their bag they can't use anymore like they thought they could. But you tell me, what's up with it? But that would make sense if I guessed correctly. 7 people, what's up? What's up, man? How you guys been? Good? You want a little ASMR? Got you. How you guys been? I feel weird? Yeah. It's okay, man. I be whispering sweet nothings in your ear. I don't even charge you. That's how I go, man. 6 people, what's good? We're drinking vodka. Alkaline vodka. I heard it's good for you. Yeah, I'm getting older, man. I be looking at my body. I be drinking alkaline vodka, man. I can't be having that acidity in me. I can't be having it. 7 people, what's good? What's up, brother Dub? I'm good, man. I ain't got no complaints. Just living my life. Feeling blessed. Crypto's doing some weird shit, but it's okay. I mean, like, honestly, man, like, at this point, does any of this shit surprise any of you guys? Crypto always does some weird shit. That's like the constant thing. That's why, like, you can't trip about every single thing. You're gonna go crazy, especially if you held as long as I have. So it's kind of like, look, crypto goes up and it goes down and it's volatile. That's the one thing everyone knows, but they seem to forget when it actually starts happening. No, make no mistake. Crypto is very volatile. And there's a reason a lot of people don't make money off crypto, because it's hard to hold it. Sometimes you got to hold it for freaking long periods of time. Most people can't do it. They can't. It's okay. You know, they go over there and they play the stocks and play the stock market. Do all that. You know. So, like, none of this feels atypical to me. I always remember that every cycle feels like a roller coaster, and that's what I feel like I'm on now. I'm just in the low. This has been a big low. Yeah, man. To go places you've never been before, you got to do things and go through things you never done before. Let's go. 6 people, what's good? Oh, one more. Do you still believe in EOS? I heard EOS EVM coming up in September. They are doing test net at the moment. Yeah, I believe in EOS. There's some things in my research that I've done that have not been explained to me sufficiently. The whole thing with the SEC and, you know, that funding from West Virginia. No one's ever given me like an explanation for that. So I'm going to hold my bag of EOS on the off chance that I'm freaking right. I mean, like, how much does it cost me to hold my bag? Like, nothing. See, so like, I'm not going to rage quit EOS. I bought EOS. I'm going to hold EOS. Because at one point, it was a good idea to me. And I still think it is still a good idea. It's not been explained. And you know, it's always those things in crypto that you like, everyone just like kind of like brushes over and they don't think about. But it's like been like, you know, it's a glaring problem, but people just like dismiss it. I like those things. People are usually wrong, man. I just bet against people. It's pretty lucrative, man. You should try it. 7 people, what's up? Hi. What's up? What's up, Tony? In the household. Tony in the household, man. I like that. Morning, Dub. What's up, Mick? How you been? Hey, I know you got some vodka right now. Hey, cheers. It's a Kirkland vodka. Damn. Costco? Some shit in Costco is like expensive now. Some of it's not. It's weird. Have you heard about staking HBAR on Stater? Right now, APY is 56%. Hey, Bubba. Hotep, my bad. Are they staking now? Like, you can stake your HBAR? Like, can you do it from the wallet? What is Stater? It's like a third-party staker. I didn't hear that about HBAR, but then again, like, things have slipped by me before. I still believe in all my bags. I just learned that I bought at the wrong times. Getting ready for a long hold if it's needed. Jake, it always seems and feels like the wrong time until it goes up past the place you bought it. Then it feels like the right time. That's just investing. Ain't no one catching the bottom. No one. Not even your cousin who lies about it. He ain't catching the bottom. Like, it's short-term noise. Doesn't matter. We know that these digital assets are exponential. They move. They're larger than life. So, okay. 20, 30%, even 90%. The trend is up and to the right. Like, that's the thing. Even if you're really bad at buying crypto, if you got patience and you got perseverance to get through the lulls, you're going to be okay. Because crypto are deflationary money systems. The dollar is an inflationary money system. There's infinite dollars, there's limited crypto. You do the math. That's why I'm a macro investor. I ain't got to know all that bullshit up and down. I know the end game, man. Hey, you can come back. You can come back in 10 years and tell me I'm wrong. You won't, though. Sit 9 people, what's up? Hey, you said it right. Thank you. Still buying. Got some XDC. Tight. Still not telling the wife. Jake, just hang on, man. Hang on. It's okay. We're all scared for you, but it's okay. We'll pray for you. Like, maybe you could lock yourself somewhere. It's not funny. It's gonna be okay, dude. Just like hang out a couple months. I think it's gonna be cool. Investment equals buying it. Do not look at the price and let it marinate for 5 to 10 years. See, but Foblo, people grew up not even knowing that. They think investing is Robinhood. Like, that's the extent of some people's investment is Robinhood. Like what you say as probably feels like a fundamental and like a you probably knew this and you think everyone knows this. Probably they don't, So like I don't think people who lack the time, like the attention, not the attention span, the patience to get through spans of time like that, they just never seen something that work out over that long of a time. They start like not getting the gratification and they abandon it. But like most of the big money in the world invest like that. They're not day trading. I mean, there's some day traders who are very, 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 very wealthy, but it's like they're the top 1%. It's not the majority. Investing over a long span of time is much more repeatable. You'd have to be less specialized too. Most people don't want to pay the $50,000, $100,000 to become a really good trader. See, that's the thing. So like, it's cool. You pay up front or you pay on the back end. You know what I mean? Like, gotta pick. 6 people, what's up? And I just do that number out because like I've heard some stuff like that. You'll watch YouTube, try it out. See, like this is the first time when people say, "Oh yeah, you can't learn all this and that on YouTube." Like, I don't know about all that because this is the first time like people have grown up with YouTube. Like I wasn't even a kid when YouTube came around. It was like 2010. I was in high school, and I could pick up shit off YouTube. So like, imagine people like kids from really small having this native to them, like on the tablet. Like, are they gonna learn, man? 6 people, what's up? 20 minutes in, wow. Shit. Oh yeah, we can look at the DXY, the relative strength index of the dollar. Want to look at that? Yeah. It's been getting all strong as shit lately. Look at that. Get out of here. What are you doing? I don't care about you. Get out of here. And be gone. Okay. So basically, guys, this is how strong the US dollar has been in comparison to the euro, the yen, all that bullshit, right? Other fiat currencies. 1985, this shit was at 165. Fast forward 2000-ish, 2001, this shit was at 118. That's a big old decrease. Then fast forward, well, I mean financial crisis, right? 2008, this thing went down to 73. This thing damn near lost 100 points on the index from 1985 to 2008. We bounced around there. They did their QE programs. Then they like started tightening. That shit flew up again. This is a chart of the Fed trying to manipulate currency. Because if the Fed didn't do this and we were on a gold standard, this line would be straight. Because they manipulate the currency, this line is not straight. This line moves. And unfortunately, it's been making lower highs and lower lows. That's a bearish trend. Now, we've been doing this whole Wyckoff shit since 2015. Chopping. Right now, we're up here at around 102. Okay? But it hasn't been able to break above 103 for like 5 years. So, like, it better break out now or this shit's 3 strikes you're out, sucker. And I think it's going to come back down. You see that? I think that's what's going to fuel the next run in crypto. That's what I think is going to happen because in 2020, we had a run. This shit dropped down a lot. This should drop down about 13-15%. What I'm proposing is another drop of about 13-14%. This drop right here is when Bitcoin went from 10,000 to 65. Bitcoin's currently at 38,000. Where's it going to go now when it has another drop like that? But see, they don't be looking at charts like this. They just be looking at crypto, huh? Everything I need knows in crypto. Oh, unless you live in a vacuum, that's not true at all. Everything's a chain, man. Everything. But yeah. But looking even past that, extrapolate past this cycle. What does this mean for the dollar? Well, I mean, it's not in a great trend, and this is a long ass trend. So in order to break this, is gonna have to be extreme. The longest instruction plays out as far as the lines drawn that we can tell. How long is this? December 2030. Interesting time. What happens at the end of this? Well, this is a descending triangle. So like it's not the most bullish pattern. Breakdown, don't know. Interesting to look at, but I just want to show you that the dollar doesn't go up forever. Why would it? What's gonna take away a downtrend in its strength since 1985? Oh, this and that. Oh, really? It's gonna break a resistance from like multi-decades? The longer the trend, the harder it is to break. What's gonna cause that to happen? It's more probable to think that the trend will continue. And even though it feels right now that the dollar's never going to come down, make no mistake, it's always came down. Zoom out, guys. 7 people, what's up? Did you ever take any profits on the last cycle up, though? Yeah. I'm always taking profits, though. See, that's the thing. Like, I'm taking profits every month. No matter what. So to me, like, relative, right? Yeah, I took some extra during some pumps, but honestly, like, I still have a large position in it, in crypto. Because I'm not convinced that this is the end. Now I could look like a fool. Yeah, that's happened before. But like, I would feel like a fool if I sat out here and started a YouTube channel for 2 years, 2+ years now, and didn't follow through. How lame is that? Five people, what's up? What's good? So what's new? What's popping? Nothing? How was taxes? Sucked? Yeah. Yep. Taxes suck, but I think it's gonna be okay. I hope it's gonna be okay. Yeah, taxes, man. Like shit. They gotta make crypto taxes easier. You know, like it's kind of hard. Like some of these people are gonna be sitting on Robinhood and Coinbase, bang, 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 trading. And like they don't even know they gotta pay taxes on crypto to crypto transactions. See, that's the problem. You could be crypto rich, fiat poor, and not have enough fiat to pay your tax liability. I mean, forex traders don't have to deal with this. It's called a digital currency. You know, forex is currency trading. It just seems conveniently difficult, but that's what we gotta deal with. So whatever. At least it's not illegal, I guess. Five people, what's up? We looked at Bitcoin. Oh, we didn't look at Bitcoin dominance. Hey, let's get that. Hold on, one more thing. Get off my chart. Leave. Okay. It's all good. Let's roll. Let's roll with it. 4 people. Wow. 27 minutes? What? Okay. So remember this 2020. Oh yeah. Yeah. So let me show you something. DXY. Let me jump back to the dollar index real quick. 2017 right here, right? The dollar dumped about 13%. Cool. Look at what the dollar did, and look what it did to Bitcoin dominance. Same time frame, big ass dump. Bang. Bitcoin dominance fell about 60%. All the money wrapped up in Bitcoin going into all your favorite altcoins. I believe we have another period coming up where the dollar freaking falls. Like I'm predicting right here, because it's hidden up on this to resistance. It's tried 3 times. Yeah, it's a W, but like, damn. 3 strikes, you're out. We'll see. But it's my opinion that we have another fall coming. I mean, the structure tells me so. This is an M. That signals exhaustion, right? This is a descending triangle. That's not bearish. I mean, that's more bearish than bullish. Not always bearish, but it's usually more bearish. Diminishing pumps, lower highs, lower lows. It even breached down to 39.39% last time. This thing is dying on the bathroom floor with the dollar. We know that the dollar falls, altcoins tend to appreciate based on history. This thing's in a bearish pattern, and the dollar is hitting up against the resistance during a time when fiat currencies, have been getting shit on. Russian ruble losing 30%. The yen's in trouble now. Euro's never looking hot. The dollar, hey, would it be crazy? It's only like fiat currencies around the world are kind of failing right now. We're only on the brink of nuclear war. You couldn't see a situation where the dollar, I don't know, gets exposed by BRICS nations, something happens, some major country backs their shit at like a really significantly with gold. Blockchain system, China comes out. OPEC accepts Bitcoin or gold for oil, circumventing the US dollar. Something can happen that would hit the strength of it like that, because the dollar is based on promises. That's it. Ain't nothing backing it but the faith and confidence. But what if people no longer had faith and confidence? That shit could happen very rapidly. That's what people forget. There's nothing backing fundamentally the dollar at all. So you know how something falls, like a straw house falls fast. Ain't no foundation under it. That's all I'm saying. That's the YouTube video. What? I don't know, man. I just work here, bro. I just work here. 6 people. Wow. I got 6 people. I almost hit 100 2 years ago at this point. Shit. It's crazy to say that. Now I got the 6 people. Cream rises to the top. It's Monday. Fucking Monday. What's worse, Monday or Sunday evening? I'll let you decide. Ah. You guys want to hear me sing? Just kidding. You're not ready for that. I got golden pipes. Just kidding, man. I don't know. What do you guys want to talk about? You guys are quiet. I'm over here saying some bullshit. Hey, good news, guys. Bitcoin is not dead. Honestly, like $4,000 really like shakes people out. They shouldn't even be holding crypto then. They shouldn't even be holding Bitcoin. Like, that's nothing. That's nothing. What the F, man? Oh, are we past 29,000? No. Okay, what the? I don't get it. I don't get it. Hey, but just so you guys know, remember when everyone said Bitcoin is going to die right here? Didn't die. Then it went up higher than before. We got a higher high. We have higher lows. Are they just ignoring that? What the? I must be insane. I must be living in clown world. What the hell is everyone so bearish about? If anything, this was the scariest point. This thing could just fell off the cliff. It didn't. It went higher. And just like people got played right here, they're going to get played right here. You know why? Because it's the same people who got played down here. When they said 3,000 Bitcoin, it's still in the bubble. It can lose 90% from here. Then they watched the shit run up to $65,000 where they cried. Then it fell down. Then they laughed. Then it went up again and they cried. They're just haters. They're Moon Boy haters. And you know what we do with Moon Boy haters? I can't say it on YouTube's. 7 people, what's up? Hey up. FOMC meeting tomorrow. Oh, yeah. 25 points, not 50. And Biden forgives 100K. Choo-choo. 100K student loans? Do it, Biden. Do it. You owe me. You owe me, Joe. Fucking. 25 points. That's nothing, though. Like everyone's like, oh, they're just doing that to signify, hey, we're trying to do something, kind of something. Yeah, sure. We're trying to help you. Just so they pacify you so you don't go apeshit on them. But honestly, man, isn't the CPI, consumer price inflation, to their fake ass numbers still like almost 8%? Right? So how high are interest rates right now? Almost 3? That means that real rate of inflation is still running 5% over their fake ass numbers. Real inflation's higher than that, probably in double digits by now. So yeah, like it stems the tide somewhat, but it doesn't stop the tsunami. See, that's the thing. You got to think about real rate of inflation. How much inflation is occurring above interest rate increase? It's nothing. That means inflation will still continue. Maybe not as aggressively, but still aggressively. The only way it'll stop is if you real interest rates above the real rate of inflation. You have to do it in surplus to the real rate of inflation. Because if you just do to the real rate of inflation, there's still a whole bunch of money soaking around in the economy that's already been like released. You got to bump it above that. That's why Paul Volcker went to 20%, way above. Are they doing it 20%? No. Are they doing it 5%? No. Are they doing it 1%? No. Because they can't. They're in a rock and a hard place. They're in a rock and a hard place. 8 people, what's up? We got them. We cornered them. What are they going to do? They're going to prove a point and crash the economy. Okay. Even if they do that, guess what they're going to do? Just like the COVID crisis, they're coming to print to the sky. Okay. Go ahead. Send my moon bag to the moon, please. Do it. They got to do it. They have to do it. It's just going to be like a matter of when. Hey, bro, I missed it. What you buying in Cosmic Ecosystem? Comdex, I like a Kosh. I see a case for Sentinel. Secret's hot. They're doing some cool stuff. Shade Protocol, all of that. What else? That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Are there any exchanges still allowing staking on stablecoins? I don't know. Centralized, I don't know. Decentralized, yes. Learn how to use DEXs. That's all I'm saying. You could freaking you can use Aave, you could use Anchor Protocol, you could use P-Stake, you could use WANSwap. Like there's ways to get stablecoin yield, you know. Wanland, I think is paying 20%. You can't, it's not like withdraw all the time, like the position has to be paid back, but like they're all over the place if you know how to use decentralized like protocols. But only if you know how to use them, you know, because like shouldn't be using it and like signing some random transaction shit and losing your stuff. I get it. If you're not confident in that, then I get it. But yeah, like all that shit dried up. You know why? Because people were gonna be freaking like chilling, quitting their jobs left and right. There's like, we can't have that shit. I gotta work. Hey, what's up, my people? I need to get another haircut again. Damn. What is going on, man? How's it feel to have straight hair? I never had straight hair. How's it feel? Is it good? You guys like having straight hair? My hair goes up. Your hair goes down. But we're still the same color inside. Let's see. Hell yeah, bro. Akash is underrated. Yeah. Akash is underrated. And they're serious about it. What's that dude's name? Greg? Yeah, Greg. The dude, Greg. Shit, what was I thinking? I don't know. My bad, I'm tripping. Yeah, Secret's doing a lot of NFT shit. They had Quentin Tarantino. They're having this other dude who did Clerks, 90s movie. He's releasing a movie. First NFT movie release. I think 5,000 copies ever on Secret. They're getting some big placements, man. Like, what? Then they got Shade Protocol. Secret's probably a good look. I'm not gonna be like, oh, Adam. It's like, okay, we know that shit. We know. Yo, hey. Okay. I don't know, man. I mean, I'm always buying Comdex though. Comdex is getting a hit. It sucks to see, but it's like cool though. because I get more. Dubdigital, why you like this thing so much? Because, man, you know me and commodities got a little love affair. I can get leverage to silver. I can get leverage to gold. I can get leverage to oil. I could probably get leverage to nickel at some point. I could probably get leverage to wheat. All through this. Beautiful. You know, real beautiful. I could even get leverage or yield on those things, on oil, on gold, on silver. That's tight. You can't do that with the physical, you know, and I gotta do it all on chain, so no one could ever like tell me I can't sell. You know, and if you usually do commodity trading, you typically have to be like get licensed and stuff, and like be able to pass like storage requirements and all that. Not here, you know. So they say like democratize finance, right? They're talking about like being more inclusive and letting people get into commodity investing because it's largely like, you know, kind of like a class ceiling for most people. But with that said, the reason I do like it is that they're a DeFi ecosystem in an ecosystem of Cosmos that doesn't really have one besides Osmosis. Osmosis dominates their DeFi. But that's cool. You know, liquidity pools are cool. 50-50 liquidity pools are cool. But they're not offering synthetic derivatives. And we've seen synthetic derivative protocols like explode previously. Case in point, freaking SNX. Let's see SNX. From 30 cents all the way up to about 26. Saw that happen with my own eyes. Let's see mirror. Hurting now, but let's see what happened to it. Like 80 cents all the way up to 12 bucks. Comdex is currently at 80 cents, so that's what it is, man. Other than that, in terms of Cosmos, I mean, Sentinel is interesting. You know, the DVPN thing. I think privacy is going to be a thing moving on to the future. Persistence, I've been saying that though. I think I got enough persistence. So I don't know. We'll see. 9 people, what's up? Solana going through growing pains again. Oh, for real? Let's see. Sol 86. Woo! Damn. Well, I think Solana already has won this cycle. I think that they got integrated their NFTs, some of their NFTs onto OpenSea. They've already established themselves as a power player in the NFT space and metaverse space. They have some of the, I mean, honestly, to be honest, Solana Metaverse is probably going to kick East Metaverse's ass. I'll kick their ass. It's just way snappier. With Dubdigital, Solana's like a private ledger, like this and that, blah, 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 blah. I hate Solana. Okay, yeah, but like in the metaverse, like fucking cares, man. Like people just want to run around and see stuff through their goggles. This is the thing where it matters what use case. Centralization only really matters up to how important the use case is. If it's to control money, that's a very big problem. If it's so the 13-year-old could play in Atari Land on Solana, whatever, it's not that big of a problem in my eyes. 10 people, what's up? Can you check on Chainlink? The Marines keep shilling it, even with its subpar price action. Not sure what to think. Yeah. No worry, John. The Link Marines are allowed, though. You know. You gotta take everything with a grain of salt. I love the passion though. $11. Let's see. Oh shit. Hey, you know what though? It's not looking that bad. It looks bad. It looks bad. I know how it looks. But this looks like a falling wedge, kind of. Maybe not the most steep, but you see what I'm saying? Like it's falling to a nexus point. Because these highs are like eerily in a line. But usually like a falling wedge is a breakout. And it's usually the height of the wedge. That would be a pretty big expanse. Huh. But it is a lower low. Hard to tell. But Chainlink is like already a winner. It's a blue chip already in the Oracle space. Like there's other oracles and there's Chainlink. That's how people like the market thinks of Chainlink. It created DeFi. It made DeFi possible. It's the godfather of DeFi. You know. Well, Reggie Milton will be like, "Oh no, I am." I was like, "Okay, Reggie, chill out." You know what I mean, though. 10 people, 46 minutes in. Well, it's been fun, guys. It's been good catching up. You know, just want to pop in for a little bit. It's been a while, but I gotta go eat some tacos. So, till next time. Talk to you later. Peace.